Why hello there guys! Wow, perfect intro. A lot of people have asked about how I make my stop motions, so today I thought I would give you a little insight. Basically, I would like to give you a little insight to how my editing process is, because it's a little bit different than most people's. I would also like to show you how I basically shoot the stop motion, take the pictures. So here we've got a set. So as you can see, I'm just building a little set here, and for example, the rock in the background, as you can see there. Then I use this weird blue thing to put my phone in. My phone is basically my camera. So then I just basically put my figures in the right positions, and I use some of this sticky stuff to keep the plates secured. So now I'd like to show you all how I make my lasers fly. So I basically take a lightsaber piece, or any, laser-ish thing. I put that on some clear bricks and keep the clear bricks out of frame. Then I put a flashlight on it so it looks cool, and then I just take the picture. I do that on the exact same process on the other side, another picture, and then you got a flying laser bolt. And sometimes to add one extra frame, I just use some of that same sticky stuff and put the laser against some background object. So this is the light, this is what I use to keep my lighting consistent, and I use that same sticky stuff to kind of secure it into place so it doesn't topple over. It's pretty top heavy, so I just gotta watch out. Then I just close my curtains, sit in the dark, turn the lights on, and that's it. So this is gonna be the editing process. As you can see, these are all the pictures, just played kind of fast. And yeah, as you can see, a lot of FPS is used. It's really smooth. Well, that's that, and oh, whoops. Cool, so then I open iMovie, create a new file, and drag all the pictures into the file. Then I basically crop it and make it look nice, or well, not nice, but I can just manually adjust it. Then I put all the frames at 1 frame per second, so it's an extremely slow project. Then I export that, and I've got the very slow file. Then I create a new file and drag the old one in there, the really slow stop motion. And then I just basically cut and speed everything up, as you can see, by using this technique. So it's kind of difficult to see because it's pretty fast, but I hope you can kind of follow it. So then I just basically crop everything correctly and it looks better and nice and stuff, and then I just color correct it to make it look better. So luckily iMovie has got a lot of cool sound effects, but I also have my own library. So then I just basically add all the sound effects and some cool music and stuff. And that's basically it. Sometimes I can, kind of drag in some end credits, as you can see, and type some cool stuff there, and export the file. And well, I guess that is the stop motion, so enjoy it, guys. So yeah, that's basically the entire video. I'm so sorry for talking really quickly, by the way. I'm just a fast speaker and I had to sync everything up to the video. So I know the stop motion is pretty lousy, but yeah, I mean, I didn't really want to make a long stop motion. So I guess a small stop motion was all it took to show you how the process goes. So yeah, I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.